beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious zucchini and carrot patties that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious zucchini and carrot patties or fritters, if that's how you call it, these are the ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tomatoes, 2 eggs, half an onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 carrots, and 2 zucchinis. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing homemade zucchini and carrot patties. So let's get started. I am going to start here first with the garlic cloves. Yes, I am using 3 garlic cloves. I love the flavor and the aroma of the garlic. And in this sauce, the garlic really makes a difference. I'm adding 3 garlic cloves, 2 tomatoes, half an onion. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And to this, I am going to add 2 cups of hot water. This part is very important. Always adding hot water when you're making this amazing sauce, especially that the vegetables are not cooked. So add hot water to perfection, nice and smooth and nice and blended. This is going to take a couple minutes, but it's okay. This sauce is very easy to prepare and is versatile. You could use it in so many recipes. Well, here I have my 2 carrots that I'm going to take the skin off, my 2 zucchinis that I'm taking the edges off, and now, of course, I am ready to start shredding. This is my workout. This is the part that takes longer. Shredding the carrot and shredding the zucchini. Of course, I am shredding it in small little pieces so that they really incorporate and they really cook really fast when you start frying them. And I'm using vegetable oil. Here I want to show you how I'm shredding my carrot, and the same way I'm shredding my carrot, I am going to shred my zucchini. If you got up to this point and you love the ingredients, please subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing and you don't miss out of so many delicious and amazing recipes I have on my channel. And here I'm adding the all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 room temperature eggs, and I am ready to mix away. I am going to go ahead and put a glove on, and I'm ready to incorporate everything. I want everything to be coated with the egg so that the fritter doesn't go all over the place when we are frying them. Look at this. They're moist and they're going to cook really fast. On my stove, I have a pan getting nice and hot with vegetable oil. I didn't add too much vegetable oil. This is a very healthy and easy recipe, and I don't want to add too much oil. After a couple minutes, we're going to flip them. They're going to become golden brown. And of course, get ready a plate with some napkins so that the excessive oil comes out of the fritters. Look at this. It doesn't take too long to make this process, but let me tell you, these patties come out delicious, amazing, and it's a very easy recipe that I know you guys are going to love, especially if you work and you come home and you're thinking, what am I going to cook tonight? Well, this is the perfect recipe. Easy, delicious, and amazing. Well, once you have all your little patties ready, make sure you use a paper napkin to absorb the excessive oil. Once you remove all of them, you are ready to add the amazing sauce. Yes, into that oil. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium low. I'm going to reduce it because I am going to cook this sauce for about 5 minutes. The sauce is going to reduce and is going to thicken. Of course, if you want it more thick, you can add cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. That's if you want to add cornstarch and you don't want it to reduce. I am going to cook it for 5 minutes. I'm going to let it reduce a little bit so it gets nice and thick. Look at this. It has reduced a little bit, and now, of course, I am ready to enjoy these amazing zucchini carrot patties. Of course, I'm going to do it my way. I have a plate here. I'm going to add on the bottom, I'm going to add this delicious and amazing sauce. And of course, I am going to add 3 patties in here. Zucchini carrot patties. These patties come out so moist. Of course, the zucchini and the carrot cooks really good. They're like al dente. And I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is watering. My home smells delicious. And like I said, be part of my family. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. Let me show you what I have. I have the sauce here. It has reduced a lot. I have the fritters here, or the patties. And here, this is the plate I am going to enjoy. So I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look at this. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing zucchini carrot patties that I know you guys are going to love. The sauce, just amazing. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes, excuse me. The zucchini and carrot are cooked to perfection. The sauce has so much flavor that I know you guys are going to love. I hope, my friends, you make this delicious, healthy, and easy recipe. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, please subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I will stay enjoying these amazing zucchini carrot patties in this amazing sauce. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.